Hey developers, are you looking to master authentication and authorization in Laravel? In this video I'll walk you through setting up authentication, handling user roles and securing your Laravel applications. Stick around for pro tips on making your authentication system even more secure. Let's get started. Laravel provides multiple authentication solutions. The easiest way to set up authentication is using Laravel Breeze or Jetstream. Here's how you can install Breeze Composer. Require Laravel Breeze, dev php artisan breeze install npm install and an npm run dev php artisan migrate. Now you have a fully functional authentication system with login, registration, and password reset. You can customize authentication logic by modifying the login controller. For example, redirect users based on roles. Protected function authenticated, request $user. You can also protect routes with middleware. Route, middleware, auth, group, function. This ensures only authenticated users can access certain pages. Authorization in Laravel is handled through Gates and Policies. Let's define a gate in authserviceprovider.php-. Use illuminate support facades. Gate. Define view dashboard. Function $user. Now you can check this in a controller. If gate allows view dashboard. For more advanced authorization, create a policy. PHP artisan make policy post policy. Model =. Post modify post policy.php to control access based on user roles. For API authentication, use Laravel Sanctum. Install it with Composer. Require Laravel Sanctum PHP artisan vendor publish provider Laravel Sanctum service provider in kernel.php, enable Sanctum's middleware. Use Laravel Sanctum HTTP middleware. Ensure front-end requests are stateful. Protected $middleware groups =. To issue a token to a user. $token $user, create token auth token. Plaintext token, this ensures secure API authentication. For additional security, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, using Laravel Fortify. Composer. Require Laravel Fortify PHP artisan vendor publish, provider Laravel Fortify service provider, in Fortify service provider.php, enable 2FA. Fortify two-factor authentication. Now, users can enable 2FA for their accounts, adding an extra layer of security. That's a wrap on Laravel authentication and authorization. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Laravel content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more Laravel tutorials. Your channel link. Share your authentication and authorization challenge